What's up, everybody? This is Scott Davis. Today we're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bath property in Spring Hill, Tennessee. This is close to Franklin, close to Columbia, close to Nashville. This property sits on 0.9 acres, almost an entire acre. It's currently listed for $449. It's a 1973 build. It's been completely renovated from top to bottom. It looks beautiful. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Please like and subscribe if you like videos like this. It really helps me out a lot. I appreciate it. And if you have any real estate needs in the surrounding Nashville area, reach out. I help people like you every single day, and I love it. Thanks. Okay, right as we enter, you'll notice open living space, completely redone. Brand new appliances. I like the fixtures in this. Granite countertops. It's like having new construction. They really have done a great job here. I am not just saying that. Got a little eating kitchen area over there. Living room is a little on the small side. They've done a good job staging because a couch will take up more room over here. That's where you'd probably, you could put a couch up against the window, but I think if it were me, I'd rather have a couch over there on that wall and have a TV over here if I even had a TV in here. But it's a great entertaining space for sure. Try to back up and get as much of it in the shot as I can. Just to give you a feel for what it's like. Nice and bright. Really well done. Okay. There's 2 bedrooms up here. The third is downstairs, so we'll go. You've got a hall closet here for linens and things. Let's go check out the bathroom. Clean. Are you ready for this? Bam. Look at that. I think they did a really good job of making this kind of neutral, but giving it some flair, giving it some personality. It's hard to do that. But this is got enough style that it's not off-putting to people. Here's bedroom 1. Cool little light fixture, brand new flooring. And all those smaller rooms, they did some big crown molding, which I like. All right, let's go check out the master bedroom. More of the same. This looks like it's a, 11 by 11 size. They made it a little smaller because they really did it up in the bathroom here, the primary suite. Gave you a oversized closet for a house built in 1973. And definitely gave you a spa treatment kind of primary and suite here. It's really done. I love the tile. Again, great taste. Whoever flipped this probably spent a little too much. But the end product is very appealing. I don't even like gold, but I could deal with this. Okay. Nice job. We will go downstairs. Oh, first, let's go check out our balcony. This is a legit balcony because there's no way down. This is no stairs. It's kind of like a castle. Nobody can get to you up here. It's your own little oasis. You could grow some ivy on that. So you have 0.9 acres. Got a lot of yard back here. I would privacy fence this puppy. Day one. Got a tin roof. Tin roof. In the words of my people, tin roof rusted. Just kidding. It doesn't look rusted. That's a B-52s reference for all of you under 35-year-olds. Okay. Downstairs, you're gonna be pleasantly surprised. I was. My first home was a 1970s, and I redid the downstairs. It was an unfinished basement, but I did not do it up like this one. I wish I would have. I mean, there's so much room down here. You could Airbnb this thing out. You could rent the top, seal off that upstairs door down here, and rent out the bottom because it's got a separate entrance. That could be a cool play. Okay, let's go into this extra bedroom here. Check it out. I mean, it's small, it's like a 10 by 10. Again, really cool tile. They probably had to raise this up because they had to use a pump to send the plumbing up. I'm guessing that was the case in my first house because the plumbing was all upstairs. So they did the HVAC, they just fed off of this. This was the original return. Okay, this is the laundry room. I don't know what that's for. It's like a giant pegboard. Tell me in the comments if you know what this is for. I know, put something in there and use it for hangers maybe? I have no idea. There's your hookups. Got a closet. This is huge. You could put a couch in here, put a TV and chill out while you're doing some laundry, waiting on your clothes. And then your garage. You got a one-car garage out here. Yeah, they redid a lot of the HVAC. Looks brand new. Put a return in down here. This is really nice. Yeah, this is listed for $449. You're close to everything. I ran comps. It's priced reasonably. In my humble opinion. And here is the back. Got a little covered area because of that deck. You could seal that off and stay out of the rain. Or you could add stairs if you really wanted to. You do a lot. Really nice, really well done. You're a little close to the road. Major street, that's Main Street. 31 runs through Spring Hill all the way to Columbia. So you have a little road noise over there. But You're in a quiet little community, no HOA. Anybody driving down your street is there on purpose and not accident, so you don't get a lot of traffic, so that's awesome. So there you go. This is Spring Hill, Tennessee, right on the Columbia-Spring Hill borderline. And again, it's listed for $449,000. If you'd like to see this or any other property in the surrounding Nashville area, please reach out. I would love to help you. My contact info is in the description below. I'm Scott Davis with Hive Nashville. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. It helps me to do more, and it really helps my channel out. So I appreciate it very much. Thank you for watching and have a great day.